Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to verify account on Wise. So first things first, you have to log into your Wise. If you don't have yet, then install and then log in. So if Wise requires verification, you will see a prompt when you try to send money, add money to your Wise account, or order a Wise debit card. You can just basically tap on the verify your identity in order for you to proceed. Now, Wise will ask you to fill in your information, so make sure that you have added your full legal name, date of birth, home address, nationality, and also WISE requires you to have your selfie verification. Next is go to security and privacy, and then you have to recheck your password if it's a strong password, and also as much as possible turn on your two-step verification here. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap on this two-step verification, I need to add a WISE application installed to my device, and then for text message, you need to add your phone number for any transaction. So to be fully verified, you need to add a phone number here, and it is a must here on your Wise account. You can sync in your contacts, but this one is optional for faster transaction. Next is link your bank account or payment details. So it's also important to connect to bank account for you to be fully verified. So all you have to do here is tap on connect bank account. You can select your region or country, and then instant verification. You just have to simply tap this instant verification right here, read the following, and then connect to your bank account. And then once done, and then if Wise asks you to upload your passport or any of your ID like national ID card, residence, driver's license, make sure your document is valid, unexpired, and clear to read. And then you just have to wait for review. Wise usually verifies account within a few hours to 2 business days. You will receive an email or app notification once it's approved. So for tips, you just have to use high quality camera, make sure your name and address match to your Wise account info, and submit documents in color, not black and white scans. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.